wardrobe full of clothes, yet nothing to wear. Before you guys comment and say, oh, every girl's problem. No, this is every new mother's problem. Why? Because now I have to wear clothes that are not only comfortable for me, but also comfortable for her. Because I'm a breastfeeding mom. So I cannot wear a dress that I ordered on Shein thinking, oh my god, my pregnancy is going to end in 1-2 months, so I can wear this dress and this top and that top. No. I have to wear a dress that is accessible from here, so that instead of removing my top all the way up or wearing the dress and removing it all the way up, I can access it from here, and it's easy for her and for me even in public places. All my dresses are packed and sealed and kept somewhere. Before going out, planning an outing is to be easy peasy, a slice of cake. 10 minutes we plan, 10 minutes we dress up, and we are out of the house. Now, no. We need to be mentally prepared one night in advance, because last minute planning puts us straight into a panic zone. We cannot leave the house just with one purse or a phone like before. We have to leave a house with a big bag with her pampers, her change of dresses, her changing mat, her wipes, making sure she has some toys to her, when she cries, to entertain her. Because these cartoons can entertain the world. But when it comes to our child crying, no. We'll be sitting in the corner as well, crying with her, finding out why is she crying. This is just a journey that we are sharing, how we feel being new parents. Wait for part 3.